Hey guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive subscribers and subbies, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, today, where's my die? I'm making some gift card holders, and I will be using this die. I hauled this die a while ago and I showed it to you guys. This is the We Are Memories gift card holder die that I had been looking for at Tuesday morning that I was never able to find, so I ended up ordering it from either eBay or Amazon. I can't remember which one, but this is the die. And the paper stack, I cannot remember this one here. This is from last year, and it was a hot buy, if I'm not mistaken, from Craftsmith. And if I remember, or if I find it, I'll link it, or I'll put the name of it in the description box. And I went through some other stacks I had from last year with these holographic ones, which is not Christmassy, but I did want to put a few holographic ones in there. I got some with silver holographic, gold holographic, and what is this? The rose gold holographic designs. And these are the bowls, and I got some solids. I got some printed ones. Even have some ones from, what is this type of paper? Like that faux vinyl. I have some bowls from there. So I'm going to be doing a bunch of different things. Let me see if I can find the paper. Here's the paper stack for the rose gold, the gold, and the silver. It's called Christmas Metallics. And this is a Craftsmith hot buy. This is last year's stack. So, of course, I did not pay full price for that. And the holographic one is called Holographic Dreams, and it's also a Craftsmith paper pad, and it was also a hot buy. So the only one I can't remember the name of is this Christmas paper right here. And I'm not gonna put them all together here. I'm just gonna do maybe one. And then once I'm done putting them all together, I will come back and show you my results. Well, this was the first one I attempted, and I used the way that they have it decorated on the front of this thing with just a solid base, a craft piece to hold the card itself, and then the print was for the bow. And that's what I did. Solid for the base, print for the bow, and what is this? This craft cardstock to hold this. And this is a Five Guys gift card. I picked it up. I was at Five Guys yesterday, and I saw that they had gift cards, and I knew that I was doing some gift card holders, so I just picked them up just as placeholders. Not to say that I'm selling Five Guys gift cards, because I'm not. So, and y'all please forget that noise y'all hear, because I'm going to go out there and smack everybody in just a second. And yes, today I will be a violent grandma. Normally I'm not, but if they don't stop that noise. So anyway, this is the way this thing looks. And let's see. I don't know which one I'm going to do. Okay, so for this one I'm going to do on camera. I'm going to do this silver one, silver and white. And I'm going to use a white, I don't even know what to call this. I'm going to use this white piece here to for the gift card. And I have some pearls, some flat back pearls that I had taken from, I ain't gonna say taken, that I had procured from my granddaughter. So nothing here cost me any money this year. Like I said, these stacks I have had since last year, and I'm finally going to use them, and I have no intentions on buying any new Christmas paper. The only thing that I purchased was the die to do the cutting. So let's try to get this started, and I hope I don't mess this up, because I do have this thing for getting on camera messing stuff up. Oh boy. So let's get this done. Let me find, you know what, I need to find my other adhesive. Where are you? There you are. I'm going to be using this stuff right here. What is this? This is the my art glitter glue. And guys, unless that glue was bad in the beginning, or it goes bad over time, remember the glue that everybody was hauling from Dollar Tree? That stuff just does not work now. I have probably about 10 bottles of that glue, and it does not work. This doesn't work for me. Let me know if you guys are experiencing the same thing. So we're going to put that there. This art glitter glue just works, period. End of discussion. Done. Okay, now let's see about this part. Okay, the thing goes in there. And I'm going to try to keep everything on the going the same way. So this is the part with these pieces here. So I guess I should get this together first. Ooh, I'm sorry, I'm all out of focus, all off the frame. Okay. Put some glue here. And normally I kind of curl the bow part, or whatever you want to call that. But of course, with me doing this on camera, I'm gonna mess up somewhere, and that was one of the places. But I'm not gonna trip about it. So I got this part of the bow done, and I think you're supposed to do this piece here. Go ahead on and get this in place. Go ahead on and get this piece in place like so. That goes hot. Ooh, it's hot. And again, guys, please excuse the noise. The grands are just sound like they're just having a funky good time. I know this goes in like such, and this goes, I think, like this. I think they said it goes like this. What am I doing? I might have to redo this video. I think this goes like this and like so. But let me try to get this in there. And you know what? They had this piece going to the back, but I guess it really don't matter as long as it's in there. So let me see. I raise that a little bit. Try to get this down in there. I may have to scroll this out towards the back, because it doesn't look good, right? Because I done bent it all up and everything. So let's try this again. From here to the back. And just gonna pull this down like so, just to see if it's secure. So it looks pretty good right there. Looks pretty good. So let me adhere this part back here. I'll put some hot glue on it just because. Give me an instant hold. Almost instant anyway. And I'm going to make sure to not glue that together. Oops. So I'm just putting some glue, some of my adhesives right here. And not on this thing. Just putting it on the flaps. There we go. On the flaps only. And let me see if I have a gift card at my fingertips, and of course I don't. And this goes in here like such. I think I'm going to do this over again. There we go. Ooh, that's cutesy. Let's see, what if I put a pearl in the center right here? I'm gonna put a pearl right there, especially since I have them. I'll put a little dab of glue right there, hot glue. Ow! Okay. Yeah, and that actually is kind of cute. What do you think? Okay, I'm going to try this again, and hopefully it won't take so long. I won't have so many issues. Okay, I'm going to use a bow that I cut out from the fold vinyl paper. You know, you take your bone folder and do this number to curl this part. Here's the tails. I got some flat back pearls here that I'm going to use. I got this gift card as a placeholder from Hobby Lobby, and I have the two pieces, top and the bottom, and this is where the gift card goes in. So let's see if we can do this a little bit quicker than that last one. So we're gonna put some glue here. Come on. Yeah, there is so much noise going on right now. You know, I'm tempted to stop this video and yell for them to stop it. Let me see what I can do. Okay, got that part done. Right, looks like I got something on it already, right there. I'm just gonna do this right here. Put this here. Let's attach this bow. Just a little bit right there, a little dab will do ya. Right there. Another little dab there. That. I'm gonna put this here. There we go. And I hope I'm in frame still. There we go. And I'm going to, let me curl this. Maybe that'll help if I curl this. So let's see. And I'm going to pull this down to kind of tighten that and make sure that this is sturdy. Okay. I'm just going to put a little dab right there to hold this in place. Like so. There we go. And I'm going to put a little here on the flaps only. I'm going to close those down. I didn't put too much because I didn't want it to seep over. Hold that like so. Here is the Hobby Lobby gift card placeholder. Shove that right there. Do this number here. Oops, come on. There we go. And put this in here. Ugh, now why now? Okay. Everything else is going right. Okay, there we go. There we go. Oh, there we go. How about that, guys? And just because I have them, I'm going to put a pearl rhinestone, a flat back pearl here, just because. Actually, I think they're cute though, for real. I may have to. I should have went and grabbed some before she left. But you know what? I think I'm gonna tell her to send me the big ones back. There we go. So here's a gold one. Here's a silver one. And we have a red one with a pattern bow. Okay, guys. Now I have about 30 more of these to make. Okay, let's go this way, wrong way. There we go. So like I said, I have about 30 of these. I'm gonna make 30 more rather. Well, I'm gonna say a total of 30. That's my plan anyway. So I think at $1 each, I think it won't be too shabby. $1 each, $30. That's not one. I don't think it'll be too bad, considering I paid $5 for the paper stack, and then I can actually get, I think is it two or one per sheet? And I don't know. I have to think about it. I can't remember if I was able to get 2 out of 1 sheet or just 1 out of 1 sheet. Okay, anyway, guys, I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments, I truly appreciate it. Come back anytime and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye, love bugs.